I am pleased to learn that Outlook, one of India's leading magazines, has launched an awareness campaign focusing on health, particularly that of women and children. The health of women and children is at the heart of policies and programs in India. Women comprise about 48% of India's population, nearly half of us, and children are our future. Needless to say, it is the well being of women and children that finally determines the health of our nation. India achieved the MDG goal for reduction of maternal mortality, and given the trend of decline in the last few years, we will achieve SDG goal of maternal mortality rate of 70 by 2025. The pace of decline in under 5 mortality rate will also enable us to achieve the SDG goal of under 5 mortality rate of under 25. These will be ahead of the time frame of 2030 set for SDGs. These declines have resulted from systematic implementation of evidence based interventions through robust health systems aimed at universal coverage, ensuring equity and quality. I would like to highlight two of these. The first is Mission Indradhanush, focused and targeted efforts to increase full immunization coverage for every child. The second is Suman, Surakshit Matritva Ashvasan, aimed at eliminating preventable maternal and newborn deaths and assures universal access to high quality, respectful care with zero tolerance for service denial. Suman is one more step in India's progress towards ensuring health for all as part of universal health care. Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers, which provide an expanded range of services, are already showing that the presence of close to community functional health facilities offering a broader range of services, medicines, and diagnostics, including those for non communicable diseases, play a key role in improving women's and children's access to screening, prevention, and early detection of illnesses. Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers represent a major milestone in the provision of universal, free healthcare for all. The National Digital Health Mission is intended to support integration of digital health infrastructure and create a digital health ecosystem in the country. Services such as issuance of health ID, creation of personal health records, and the establishment of registries for doctors and health facilities are being created to enable continuum of care and reduce out of pocket expenditures. The National Strategic Plan for Tuberculosis aims to ensure TB elimination in the country 5 years ahead of the global timeline. This includes provision of incentives to ensure private sector practitioners for notification of TB cases, expanding the number of CBNet machines, introducing new drugs for multi drug resistant TB, and an monthly entitlement of rupees 500 under the Nikshay Poshan Yojana to those under treatment. The Government of India, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, has been taking every possible step to overcome this challenge. However, every citizen must also join this battle in ensuring good health for everyone. I believe the initiative by Outlook and Racket Ben Kaiser will go a long way in building our community capacity. We need to be united in this fight. Wishing you all a healthy future.